literally. Two questions I tend to get asked literally every single day is, how much money can you make from affiliate marketing? Or how long will it take me to earn $500 per month? I'm not so sure why $500 is the magic number that everyone seems to ask me, but essentially in this video, what I'm going to do is answer both of those questions to help you understand exactly the time frame and the growth trajectory you can follow when it comes to making money from affiliate marketing. So how much money you can make from affiliate marketing is pretty much the same as any other question related to how much money can I make. And what I mean by that is the total amount of money you can make is directly correlated to how much time and effort you put into marketing your affiliate links. If you're just spending 5 minutes every day promoting your links here and there, then you're not going to generate that much money. However, if you have a proper marketing plan and you are investing the time required, then you can generate literally an endless supply of cash. And that is not any exaggeration whatsoever. Some affiliates can literally earn as little as $100 per month, and other affiliates can earn up to $100,000 per month, even more in some scenarios. The difference between the two is how much time they spend building a strategy and promoting their links. To give you some more context, and again, just to prove to you, I actually do affiliate marketing as well for a living. You're not just learning affiliate marketing from someone who done some research online and decided to chuck a course together. I literally do affiliate marketing day in, day out. This is actually a screenshot from one of my affiliate websites that I've been working on for the last couple of years now. And you can see the screenshot is from Jan 2024, and you can see the total earnings I made in 1 month, which is £2,931.52, which in USD is about $3,600. I think it's even $3,700 with the way currencies are fluctuating at the moment, which is a good amount of money to be making from affiliate marketing. And of course, I don't just have one affiliate site. I actually have multiple affiliate websites I am working on. So the whole idea is if you truly understand affiliate marketing, you can build out multiple websites and have multiple income streams. This is just to give you some context. You can make a good amount of money from affiliate marketing if you are doing it correctly. Just to give this image some even more context, as I know some people are going to ask me, how long did you spend every day to make that amount of money? I spent 4 hours every day for the whole month. I literally spent my whole morning from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. every single day for the whole month, just focusing on affiliate marketing. Which brings me on to the next slide, which is the affiliate marketing income brackets. So here I'm going to go through 4 different levels we have within affiliate marketing. I'll then go through exactly how much each level makes and how much time you'll need to invest roughly to generate that amount of money. Now, of course, this is going to be different for every single person, so please just use this as a guide and not gospel. However, it will give you a good indication of how much money you can make based on how much time you invest into affiliate marketing. So at the top of the table, which is going to be the bottom level of the affiliate income brackets, is going to be beginners. Now, a beginner can earn anywhere between $0 and $500 per month, and all you need to do is literally invest 1 hour per day. I will show you later on in the course exactly how you can leverage this hour to generate the most amount of sales possible. But that is a rough guide. If you spend 1 hour per day from Monday to Friday, that is roughly going to be about 20 hours per month. The next level after beginner is going to be the intermediate affiliate. Now, the intermediate affiliate marketer can earn anywhere between $500 and $2,000. And to earn this, they need to spend at least 2 hours per day promoting their affiliate links. Again, I'll show you how we can do this later on in the course. The third level of affiliate marketing is going to be the advanced affiliate marketer. This is going to be someone who really understands affiliate marketing and they know exactly what they are doing, and they are also leveraging the most effective marketing channels to promote their affiliate links. Someone who is in this bracket can earn between $2,000 and a massive $10,000 per month. And the time you have to invest every single day to achieve these numbers is roughly about 4 hours per day, which matches up perfectly with my personal experiences in affiliate marketing. As I just showed you in the previous slide, I spent about 4 hours a day for the whole of November and generated just over $4,500 for that month. Now, the next step after the advanced affiliate, this is really the boss level of what we call a professional affiliate marketer. Now, anyone who is a professional affiliate marketer, well, they can earn over $10,000 for the whole month. Typically a lot more, as like I said, some affiliates can earn upwards of $100,000 a month. The numbers you can make are absolutely insane. And to reach these levels, well, you pretty much need to be a full-time affiliate marketer. So not just spending every hour, even 2 hours, or maybe even half the day, 4 hours promoting your links. You literally need to be on top of it every single hour of the working day. If you are that serious and you are that committed, you can pretty much earn as much as you want. I'm sure you've seen tons of affiliate marketing success stories on Google. For example, if you just carry out a Google search for affiliate marketing success stories, you will literally find so many websites on literally the first 10 pages of Google, which are all outlining success stories of how much money they made. We can even see this guy, John, in 2019 made $3,700 in a single day, which is absolutely insane. So this really just proves the amount of money you can make is literally down to you and is in your hands. However, this income bracket table should give you a good and rough indication of how much you can make based on how much time you want to invest. Again, what I recommend you actually do is determine how much time you can physically invest every single day and then try and earn some income that is in that bracket. For example, if you only have 2 hours per day, then make sure you are working towards earning between $500 to $2,000 per month. There's no point looking at this table and saying, oh, I would love to earn more than $10,000 per month from affiliate marketing, but I only have 1 hour to invest every single day. The two do not add up. So please be realistic and align your goals with how much time you actually have available. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got tons of value from it, and I'll see you in the next.